Welcome to Katylinks, where we help business owners and accountants use Odoo with clarity and confidence. In this video, I'll show you how to remove historical accounting entries from Odoo so your financial statements are refreshed without deleting your sales or purchase history. We start in the accounting app by reviewing the trial balance to confirm that old journal entries are affecting the financial statements. These entries often come from testing, incorrect imports, or legacy data that should no longer be included in reporting. Instead of closing the books or starting a new fiscal year, we remove the accounting entries so the accounting layer is refreshed. This process only impacts accounting records. Your sales orders, customer invoices, purchase orders, and vendor bills remain fully available for viewing in the Sales and Purchases apps. No operational data is lost. After the entries are removed, we refresh the trial balance to confirm balances are cleared, and accounting now reflects only the transactions you want reported going forward. This approach is ideal when your accounting data can't be trusted, but your operational history must stay intact. If you want to learn how to do this safely, Katylinks provides step-by-step Odoo accounting training built for real businesses. And if you'd rather not risk deleting the wrong data, work with us directly and we'll review your Odoo, clean it up correctly, and make sure your financial reports are something you can rely on.